Hey everyone, this is an example to help you with the first and second problems on your quiz. What I want you to do for these examples is to record them on the correction sheet that I gave you. And when you get done recording the example, I want you to fix the problem that you had the mistake on and then explain your error. Okay, we'll do that for each of the questions that you missed. All right, so on this one, I like to make a quick sketch of what this is going to look like. So you don't have to make the sketch on your correction sheet, but just for our conversation purposes, I want to go ahead and make this sketch. So if we go 5, 4, we have a point here, and then 1, 8 would be right here. All right, and if we make a quick sketch of a line going through those points, we know we're going to have a fairly large y-intercept. Okay, so I'm just going to start using point slope. So I'm going to pick my two values here, my two ordered pairs. I'm going to pick my x and y values after labeling them. So I'm going to say to get my slope, we're going to take y2 minus y1. So I'm just going to say the second set are my 2's. So 8 minus 4. And then my x's would be going in the same sequence, 1 minus 5. All right, so that gives me 4 divided by negative 4, which in this case, 4 divided by negative 4 is an actual integer value. So my slope here is going to be negative 1. Okay, that number is going to get plugged in right here. Okay, again, it doesn't matter what you pick for x1 and y1. I'm going to pick the first ordered pair for x1 and y1. So when we go to substitute in, this 5 is going to get filled in right here, and the 4 is going to get filled in right here. All right, so we're going to have y minus the y value from this ordered pair. So y minus 4 equals our slope of negative 1 times x minus the x value from this ordered pair, which is 5. So we end up with y minus 4. Now, this is what a lot of students were doing on the test or the quiz. They were trying to add 4 right away, but you can't do that until you simplify the right side. And the way we simplify the right side is just by distributing this negative 1, which represents our slope. So we'll get negative 1x, and then negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. So now we can add 4 on both sides. And if we do that, we end up with y equals negative 1x plus 9. And again, if we go back to our graph, yeah, that seems actually very realistic. 2, 4, 6, 8, and yep, 9 is actually that spot where it crosses through. So the sketch should help you to confirm your numbers. All right, thanks for watching. Go ahead and fix your mistake and then explain your mistake for question 1 and or 2.